Just literally rolled it out of storage. Turn the key on. One push on the clutch, on the clutch. That's how good this quad runs. You are buying a brand new 15-year-old quad. And that's still got some old gas in it. I have not ran the entire tank of old gas out. So when this tank is empty and you refill the tank with premium 93 from now on, other than this light which used to go on, which kind of annoys me, but whatever, that's the least of your worries. But yes, it will idle all day long, does not overheat, does not smoke. This is the ultimate under $2,000 quad. Can't get any better than this. Second gear, third gear, not even touching the throttle, that's how good this thing runs. Fourth gear, every single gear works, and it runs literally like brand new. There is no cloud of blue smoke behind this thing. It's about as good as you're ever gonna find. This is literally, it idled for 30 seconds and it is 40 degrees out. And it's still got some old gas in it. Let's go for fifth gear. Fifth gear right now, just cruising along. Idling at 10, 15 miles an hour. These go about 50 miles an hour. It's about 10 miles an hour in every gear. You downshift a little bit for the turn. And this is about as bulletproof as they get. 300cc. 5-speed automatic with reverse, electric start, headlights, tail lights, tow hitch, push bars. It's the dream machine right here for that kind of money. I just do not have the room for it, so that's why I gotta sell it. But yeah, I'll give you a little walk around real quick. I mean, I got nothing to hide. I did not clean it. I did not even brake clean off the motor. I did nothing but let it sit outside in the rain for 3 days and then put it in my storage unit. So you're gonna have a real hard time finding an 05 Bayou 300 loaded, racks, tow hitch, electric start, 5-speed with kickstart and pull start and reverse. Just did the plugs, just did the plug, just did the battery, just did the tires, just did the air filter, just did the starter solenoid out back,